Hello guys, welcome to this video, and today we're here in Roblox Studio, and right now we are gonna be doing the first person. And by the way, this is in R6 as well, so yeah, kind of unique, kind of unique. Well, there might be tutorials about this, but this is a more recent and updated one, and it's also very simple as well to make. So if you want to make it, then just follow it. All right, just follow the tutorial and maybe you can learn something here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be going local script, and I'll just name this whatever. You don't need to name it, actually it's optional, but I like to name it to keep it better, I guess. And then look at the script right here. All right, I'm gonna be explaining each of this. So yeah, so waiting will help. We'll wait for the character to load. All right, well, there already may be check right here. If there's no character, then we will wait. I like it to act like this just in case, I like to keep it extra safety. All right, anyways, just gonna get the player and the character here, and then we get this a lot of variables right here. We need the humanoid, torso, head, right shoulder, left shoulder, camera, and mouse. Obviously we're gonna get all this. We're gonna need these limbs, and all of these are like R6 and stuff. So I suggest you to make it R6, because R15 it will not work unless you can change this up, which you can actually, by the way. All right, but that is for the next video. All right, this video is targeting for R6 and stuff. So yes, and we're gonna have our update speed right here. So like, for example, we do it as 1. It's double than my normal size. Double more than some. So as you can see right here, it's gonna be more aggressive. All right, let me just make it as 10. I don't think there's a good difference. 10. Let's hope I don't crush my game. Oh my god, look at that. That's what happens if it's at 10. Wait, that might be too fast. Maybe 5, maybe. But as you can see, holy crap, what happened to me? Oh my god. How can I make a good example if I can't? As you can see, if I go first person, as you can see, it's updating every single second right here. Look at that. Look at that. It's trying to update all of this. So I suggest you to do it as 0.5. But if you want to make it like very buggy like this, I can suggest you to, alright? But yeah, 0.5 is so much better. So 0.5. So that's all the difference about the update speed. Alright, it will affect for the calculations, which we will be covering right now. But before that, we need to obviously get the run service, because we need to check all the frames, and we need to look at the camera and the distance about it. Alright, starting to calculate, and this one's important. Alright, so this will only affect if it's first person, which you can see from this checking. All right, and as you can see right here, it's a very detailed code. All right, I might say that. Well, I have to admit, but yes, all my videos are like researched and stuff. Researched. Else, if the distance is not less than equals to 1, we can just set it all to be like this. All right, set it all to, as you can see right here, it's just only focusing on calculating on the hands and stuff. Well, this one's only bringing the hands back to normal. All right, so basically non-existent. When it's third person, let's go here. All right, because this one is also very important. Obviously we need to get the character, which we actually already get, so I don't think we need this actually. But yes, I don't really need that character because we already got that here anyway. So anyways, after this, we're gonna be we're just looping for, and we're gonna be checking if there's a base part, and it's named left arm and right arm. So obviously this is very R6. Let me just write that out. Very R6. All right, so R6, and then after that, just gonna get this function child colon get property change signal, and then after that we get the transparency, and then we just get there here as well. Anyways, to be honest, that's it. As you can see here, it's a very simple code which still functions really well. So I will show you how it's done. Right, make sure the script output, and as you can see, boom, it's functioning like that. Boom. And then obviously you can change it, the update speed and everything. But yes, to be honest, that's really it, alright? If you guys want more tutorials like this, please just comment down below, and thank you all so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.